Find the general term an for this arithmetic progression given that a4 means the fourth term is 37 and the 10th term is 67. Now, the formula for the general term for any arithmetic progression is an equals a1 plus n minus 1d, where a1 is the first term and d is the common difference. Applying this formula for these two, I would get a4 is 37. Now this a4 will become a1 plus what is 4 minus 1? 3. So a1 plus 3d gives me 37. My next equation would be from here. A10 is equal to 67. So now n is 10. So it will be a1 plus n is 10. So 10 minus 1, 9d is equal to 67. Now these are just the linear equation in two variables in a1 and d. So let's solve them, subtract them, change the signs on the second equation. A1 minus A1 cancel out. 3D minus 9D will give me minus 60 equals 37. Added to minus 67 will give me minus 30. Divide by minus 6 on both the sides to get the value of D as 5. Put this D equals 5 in any one of these equations to get the value of A1. Let's put it in the first equation. So A1 plus 3 times 5 is equal to 37. A1 plus 15 is 37. So A1 is equal to 37 minus 15 as 22. So now finally get the value of AN by the formula AN equals A1 plus N minus 1D. A1 we got as 22. So put here 22 plus N minus 1. D we got as 5. Put it here. Now let's simplify a bit further. So 22 plus 5 times N is 5N minus 5. 22 minus 5 is 17 plus 5N. That's the general term for this arithmetic progression. That's all.